Well friends, Lancer's boss shock kit here comes. We see the boss suspension kit. It is also assembled from front to rear, including the top of the front tower and the top of the rear tower. Most of the models of Lancer on the market have been around for some years. That is, original shock absorber may have been aging, so now the whole set of suits can be a good solution to our shock absorber aging damage. These situations, that's a good replacement. And this set of shock absorbers will be more comfortable and stable than the original shock absorbers. It also handles better. Okay friends, now this Asian shock absorber set has been installed. He installed the height of the shore spring before, that is to say, 2 fingers before and after. The current height of the shock absorber is still the state of 2 fingers before and after. Then the shore spring shock absorber set. Its height has not changed, but its comfort, handling and stability will be significantly improved.